Welcome to the digital learning platform for Global Coaching Lab. It's a pleasure to have you with us as you go out and explore the richness that can transform your leadership. Within this portal, you will go ahead and find that you have a number of courses. The fulcrum for all of these courses is coaching. So, when you think about coaching, you will find how coaching can transform leadership. You will find how coaching can build better women leaders. You will find how coaching can improve teams and how coaching can help develop the next generation of leaders. I want to share with you a few principles and practices that have the ability to amplify your performance. In fact, when you think through these courses, you will find a great balance between the rational and the emotional. In the rational aspect, you will find that there are a number of frameworks which we tend to call mental models, which will help you to make sense of the challenges that you face within leadership, which will also help you to go ahead and make sure that you're able to address these challenges even better. When it comes to the emotional aspect of leadership, we leverage different archetypes, which has the ability to amplify the potential that you have as a leader. It is this blend of the rational and the emotional that will help you to make sure that you can become a much greater leader. It is our hope that you would take the time to explore all of these courses. It is our hope that you expand your horizons through these courses. You utilize the artifacts that we have to apply what you have learned. It is also our hope that you would engage with us to make your learning a reality, to go ahead and translate to success. Thank you for your time. I look forward to hearing back from you on your success in this learning journey. Thank you.